Namaste, I am Dharishil Powar, building Rasoi Rani, an AI kitchen app for Indian homes. This is a real palak paneer recipe. The app already knows I am missing spinach and paneer. Now, on order missing items, one tap and it pulls Swiggy Instamart products through the MCP integration, delivering to my address in Kolhapur. These are real products and real prices. For each ingredients, I see actual brands Amul Paneer at 95 rupees or ID Fresh. I pick what I want. The app pre-selects the best matches. Then I review the cart. The cart is fully editable. Adjust quantities, remove anything, exactly mapping to the Swiggy's update cart and clear cart tools. Then I place order, recipes to groceries in one tap. Same for shopping list. Order all the shopping list in one tap from Swiggy Instamart. You can adjust the quantities, edit and place order. The same flow goes here also. Here is the live MCP integration running on my machine. OAuth, address, lookup, product search across my whole list. Most items matching correctly straight from Instamart.